Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to find Microsoft Store version number on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To find Microsoft Store version number on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. You will find Microsoft Store under pinned app. If you don't find Microsoft Store here, just type Microsoft Store in search and open Microsoft Store. In upper right corner, click on your profile icon. Click on settings. Now scroll down. Under About section, you will find Microsoft Store by Microsoft Corporation, and you will find here the version number. My Microsoft Store version number is 22312.1401.5.0. This is the Microsoft Store version number. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.